How to install and set up Updraft Plus in WordPress. This tutorial assumes that you are already logged into the WordPress admin panel with admin user. Now let's learn how to install and set up the Updraft Plus plugin in WordPress. Updraft Plus plugin helps to simplify the backup and restore process of your WordPress website. Point the mouse on Plugins and then click on the Add New menu. In the Search Plugins window, search for Updraft Plus. We have searched the plugin here. Now, click on the Install Now button. That's it! You have successfully installed the Updraft Plus plugin. Click on the Activate button in order to activate the plugin. The Updraft Plus plugin is activated now. Click on the Settings option. In order to create a backup, click on the Backup Now button and follow the process. To restore an existing backup, click the Restore button and follow the process. You can even create a copy or migrate your website using the Clone Migrate button. Click on the Existing Backups tab. Use this tab to view the existing backups. Use the Upload Backup Files link to upload the existing backup files. You can even rescan the local folder or remote storage for the backup files. Click on the Settings tab. Configure the backup schedule as per your needs by clicking on the respected drop-down window. Configure the number of scheduled backups that you want to keep. Configure the remote storage where you want to store your backups as per your needs. Let's configure a FTP remote storage to store the backups. Click on the FTP icon. Configure the FTP storage details accordingly. Use the Test FTP Settings button to validate the details. In the Include in Files Backup option, select the items you want to back up as per your needs. Click on the Advanced Tools tab. The Site Information option shows all the information of your WordPress website. Click on the Lock Settings option. Lock Settings is available with the paid version of the Updraft Plus plugin. Click on the Updraft Central option. Search Replace Database option is available with the paid version of the plugin. Click on the Site Size option. This option shows the size of plugins and other mentioned items on the page. Click on the Count link to view the size of each item. Click on the Export/Import Settings option. In order to export the settings of the plugin, click on the Export Settings button. Use the Import Settings button to use the existing Updraft Plus plugin settings from the other website. Click on the Wipe Settings option. As the option says, it will delete all the plugin settings. That's it! You have successfully configured the Updraft Plus plugin. This is the end of the tutorial. You now know how to install and set up the Updraft Plus plugin in WordPress.